In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious banana cake in a pan recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 bananas, 2 eggs, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of butter, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to spread the interior of a pan with the butter. Sprinkle the sugar and coat entirely. Slice each of the bananas into 1-inch slices. Place each slice in the pan and spread out evenly. In a bowl, we're going to add in the eggs and beat together. Add in the milk and continue whisking. Add the salt, sugar, vanilla extract, oil, and the flour, and mix until a smooth pancake-like batter forms. Pour this mixture over the bananas in the pan. Place our banana cake on heat. Cover with a lid and cook on low for 10 to 12 minutes. Once our pancake is cooked, we're going to flip it over and cook on low for another 6 to 8 minutes. Sprinkle with powdered sugar. Cut the banana cake into 8 equal slices. Our banana cake in a pan is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.